So how can custom access solutions meet specific project requirements? Well, custom access solutions can be tailored in material, size, and functionality to ensure that you're meeting both architectural and operational needs, all while reducing the overall project costs. Now, a perfect example of this is the BA-IVHFH Invisa hatch drywall inlay access panel with fixed hinges. This model offers a high level of customization, allowing you to design access panels that fit your exact project specifications. So how do custom access solutions like the BA-IVHFH meet specific project needs? By offering a range of customizable options from the panel's dimensions to its material and finish, this model ensures that your access solutions integrate seamlessly with the overall design of your project. Now, by creating a custom solution that fits the exact requirements, you can reduce the amount of labor needed to adjust an existing opening, ultimately reducing your overall project cost. Now let's talk about the installation process for the BA-IVHFH. Step 1. Prepare the wall opening. Insert the recessed frame behind the drywall. Use drywall screws to screw through the front of the door into the frame. Apply drywall compound separately to the hatch and wall. Attach the safety cables, then test the door for proper operation. These steps ensure that your custom access panel is securely installed and ready to meet your project-specific needs. Custom access solutions like the BA-IVHFH are essential for projects that require specific sizes, materials, or designs. They provide the flexibility needed to match your project's unique requirements while also reducing cost by minimizing the need for labor-intensive adjustments. For more information or to discuss custom access solutions for your specific project, call us today at 1-888-457-1512 or visit our website at www.bestaccessdoors.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your commercial buildings. If you have any questions or you'd like to share one of your project experiences, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.